This tool can save your life. If there's one tool you need to carry with you in your car, this is it. Introducing the Escape Tool. It has a seatbelt cutter, a tungsten carbide glass breaker, a pry tool with 2 screwdriver tips, and a unique stowage latching mechanism. It snaps in when you stow it. Inside the hinge, there's a phosphor bronze washer and a spring washer. When you deploy the tool, you just use your thumb, swing it out 180 degrees, and it has a stop. It's under tension the whole way, so it's not going to swing loosely. And when it's at this position, it's really easy to cut a seat belt. The Escape Tool is the latest addition in the Anywhere Tools ecosystem. It's a modular system that stacks. This is the pocket clip that stacks on the bottom. When you buy the Escape Tool in the kit, it comes with the pocket clip and this Black ParaPull lanyard. Another cool thing is that you can stack other modules on the top. So you can stack the Pocket Flare mini flashlight module and make the ultimate car safety tool. We also have hundreds of custom faceplates available that you can snap on as well. Okay, so you're in your car, you're stuck, you just got into an accident, your door could be jammed, you could be pressed up against another vehicle, you just drove into a river, your car's filling up with water. What do you need to do? You need to get out as quickly as possible. So you pull out your Escape Tool, you pull out the cutter, you're going to cut the seatbelt and you're going to break the glass and you're going to be able to get out. Most likely your seatbelt is going to be really tight, you're hanging from it and you're completely stuck in. If not, you want to make it a little bit taut as you cut through. That'll ensure that it slices right through as quickly as possible. As you can see, it made a really clean cut through this seatbelt. The tool is optimized to cut right through these things and it made quick work of it. When you break the glass, you don't want to hit the glass breaker in the middle of the window. You want to be sure to hit it in one of the bottom corners, and that's going to be the most effective. It's better supported down there, and you're going to be able to break it a lot easier because the middle of the window is more flexible. Here we go. Most side windows on all vehicles are tempered glass, and you can check with the little label right down in the corner. Laminated glass is typically used on windshields, and it's not compatible with emergency glass breaker tools. Keeping your Escape Tool attached to your visor in your car right above your head is ideal. If you're ever in an emergency situation, it's always right there within arm's reach and you can easily access it. If you don't have something like this, you can put it in your glove box or somewhere that you can easily get to it. Not only is it great to have this tool for yourself in your car as a safety precaution, but if you see an accident and somebody gets trapped in their car, you can be first on the scene and break their window and pull them out. Get your Escape Tool at mykeyport.com today.